Hey guys, this is Minimich3D here, and today we're going to do a tutorial on basic AppleScript commands. Oops, get rid of that. We're going to use AppleScript to create a basic application launcher in AppleScript code. AppleScript's really easy. It's probably one of the simplest programming scripts out there, and yeah, let's get started. Open the AppleScript editor, which comes basically with Apple. Just go into the search bar and type in AppleScript editor, and it comes up. Got it instantly. There we go. Right, so we're going to start off by making a list of properties which you can choose from. So just type in choose from list. Squiggly thing. I think it's called a parenthesis. I forgot. Sorry about that. Quotation mark. First application you want to launch. For this purpose, we're going to do Photoshop. End the quotation mark, do a comma, space, quotation mark, and now your next application. So let's do, let's think. Anna, Angry Birds. Next application, iTunes. There we go. So I was going to end this with the end parenthesis, and now we're going to press compile. When you compile it, it checks for any errors in your script, and it turns it all into colours, basically. So, well, whoops. Colours mean different things. This is, I'm not sure what the colours mean, but you can look at it in preferences. It's got all the colours there. So that would mean application keywords. I don't know. It means command names. There we go. So that would mean command names. So yeah. Right. So what we need to do now is, well, I'll show you this. Compile it and press run. Now you've got little selection pits here. But now what we need to do is, as you can see from this, it hasn't got a title, and that's the default thing. So at the end of this, press space, put with prompt, quotation mark, application launcher. Let's put a capital there. And quotation mark, compile, run, and now you've got application launcher there. And then put with, whoops, with title, parenthesis, quotation mark, application launcher. Quotation mark and parenthesis. Now I'll compile it, then we've got that. If we click on anything and press OK, nothing happens, because we haven't set anything. We haven't set a command for it to do yet. So press spacebar twice, not spacebar, sorry, enter twice, to go down 2 lines, and we're going to type in if result is parenthesis quotation Photoshop then. So this is basically saying if the result of this is Photoshop, then do the next line of commands. So the next line of commands are going to be press enter, tell application quotation mark, and you need to get the exact application name. So it's called Adobe Photoshop CS5. So Adobe Photoshop CS5 end quotation. So this is now speaking to Adobe Photoshop. Enter launch. So it's going to tell that to launch, and end tell. So this is ending what it's telling the application to do. Now spacebar twice again and go and end if. That's this part here. Press compile, run. Now if you go on that, Photoshop's going to launch, and there we go, Photoshop. So I've closed it fully now, just to close it fully, just quit Photoshop, and I'll prove it to you again that it works. I'm pretty confident. Oh, AppleScript has crashed. 1 second. There's a bit of a technical issue there. So run Photoshop, okay, and Photoshop is now open. You can try it for yourself if you want. Just close Photoshop, there we go. Right, now we're just going to put this down at the bottom because that's not necessarily the position. Right, so now we've done Photoshop, but now we need to tell it to do these other commands. So press spacebar twice, go and type in else if result is parenthesis quotation angry birds quotation parenthesis, then tell application. I've got Angry Birds here. Where is it? Angry Birds Rio. Birds Rio, and it is case sensitive, so if you get the caps wrong, it's not going to run properly. Launch and tell. Down here, just put end if. Compile, run, and we've got Angry Birds Rio. And that crashed, but that's not because of the application launcher. That's because it's not working properly. Yeah, it's because of Angry Birds. Don't blame the application launcher. That's embarrassing. Anyway, so now just do else again, and if result is iTunes, then tell application iTunes launch and tell. And if down here, probably can tighten this up a bit as well. And if, and there we go. Let's press run. Got iTunes opening. There we go. So we've successfully done an application launcher, which is pretty cool. So tune in next week, and I'll do how to open websites and web pages in Safari. See you guys later. Bye.